This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Good morning everyone, this is video number 13 from our Excel course. I hope you find it well. In this video we are going to show one more function, transpose function. This function takes a range and returns its transpose, which means switching rows and columns. Syntax as shown, equal transpose, and between two parentheses we give only one argument, which is the range you want to transpose. As you can see here, the only argument is from P2 to P6, which is the range containing a list I want to transpose, A, B, C, D, E. And here is the result, the range in columns instead of rows. But take care from something. As you can see here, the function is between two brackets. And this is done when you press Ctrl Shift Enter instead of Enter. Let's say it in Excel sheet. So here we go. If I stay here and say equal transpose, between two parentheses I give this range and enter, it returns only A. If I put $sign here and here before P and copy paste it, the function returns A, which is not working. So that's because I pressed enter and copy paste. We should use Ctrl Shift Enter. How to use it? Simply you select all the range you want to place the function in and stay right there and press Ctrl Shift Enter, and here we go. The two brackets can be appeared here and the function is working. Another example, I choose the whole range as you can see here. I say equal transpose between two parentheses, select the range and press Ctrl Shift Enter. Here we go. See if this C letter is replaced with Bishoy, it will be replaced here. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you next one.